Hi guys, lakad na naman tayo. Saan kaya tayo makakarating? So doon tayo sa ibang ruta naman ang dadaanan natin. So tignan natin which is better and faster. Sa King George Station. So ayan, nakita ko si Jollibee. So kakain tayo mamaya dyan sa Jollibee at King George Station. And located siya sa King George Hub. So guys, Jollibee tayo later. So tingnan niyo yung mga view dito. See the view. And then we're going to Seabust. Here you have the yung water pond station. Isn't it nice? Lakad tayo. Guys, ito ang Coral Princess. Coral Princess. You can see.
Transport Canada regulations. In the unlikely event of an emergency, follow the directions of the crew. There are muster stations located forward and aft of midship. Each muster station contains a 150-person life raft. Life jackets are located
journey, another milestone achieved. I'll just enjoy this view first. Yan guys, nakapag-Seabust na tayo and unlock ang ating bucket list. Yes, Vancouver. On the other side, ayan o, yung mga royal cruise bus, ay, cruise ship. Yan. Isn't it nice? Ibang ganda. Nice one. So ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, downtown. Other side dyan. So dito tayo sa north. Ay. So, achievements natin yan guys. Dito sa Starbucks. No. push and let's go to Kwan side. Ayan. Convenience store. Yan. So yan lang po ang peg natin for today's video. Guys, look at this view. Diba? Guys, ang dami mga patak dito. So I don't have any padlock. Ipapadlock ko wala. Sino bang meron dyan? Yung other side ng Vancouver. Ito yung other side ng Vancouver.
क्या बोल रहा हूँ इतना लेट मत खाओ साला वो हार्ट पे प्रेशर आएगा.
Guys, good morning. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa Langkway. Langkway, I don't know what is this. So all this for today, OOTD. Nice place. Even if you're in Bangkok.
ऐसा उठता है क्या? खड़ा ही रहता है वो.
Rihanna. Oh, chocolate.
Black. You have the
Gelato. Wine again. I think Glendale is alright. pababa. Hindi pala dito sa ano, stadium pala to. So balik tayo guys. Ayan. So yun yung nakikita nating station yata, bababaan natin. I'm here at the Science Station. So yeah, let's see. There you have it. Yan, alone na lang yan ha. Ayun. Nadaan ako dito, ikaw naalala ko. So every time nadaan ako dito, dude. Yan. So kami yung train dito sa baba. 29th Avenue. So baba na lang tayo ng Jimmy Eat. Marami silang stock ngayon. Pinuntahan ko talaga to. Ito yung Fleetwood. Labyrinth, David Bowie. Itong Monkey Eye, Ariana Grande, Mirror, Norah Jones, Arctic Monkey, Heartbreak Weather, Elliott Smith, Fleetwood, Florence the Machine. Ito, My Chemical Romance, Natalie Cole, Disco, Black Sabbath, guys. Automatic 70 off. Diana Ross, 70 off. Black Party, 75 off. Glenn Campbell, Japanese food hindi tayo. Kita sa Gilmar. I just got these 3. Hi.
Considerable resources to find a witch named Agnes.